These are leveling blocks I made out of scrap wood to help stabilize the camper. Here's what it looks like inside. My experimental solar. Still working on a shelf. Got the foam cut out. Ice box. Foam and a mattress on this side. Cooktop is removed. Got a removable wood panel in its place. Still working on cutting a hole for the switch. For the vent. Just need a heat deflector up here. If we want to do any making a coffee or anything like that, there's a sink under here. And right now it's just basic. And I did put in this fan here. There's an area for a light. And in here, hook up for the battery for the fan. It is the U-Haul camper. I made this rock deflector. And there's this wooden box to prop it up with. CT-13 U-Haul camper.